Hey guys, so today I want to take a look at this external battery which we have reviewed way back in the past. However, I just received today is the cable which is from the battery to USB-C, which brings me to the point because all the new receivers, for example like this I85 here, they do have a USB-C charging port, and I'm wondering whether I can make it work. And this would be, even if you use this as a base, you could probably get a way longer time just with the little, extension pole battery, which can be screwed on top because it has the standard 5/8 pole. And yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna try to turn it on. I'm not gonna. I think it should be dead because I haven't charged it in a while. Right, it's winter here. As you can see, the battery is red, and it basically won't stay on for long because it needs to be charged, obviously. So I'm just gonna put that down, and I'm gonna bring in the controller and gonna try to record the screens so we can get that going. I might have to cut here. Screencast, yeah, so this one doesn't have that. Let me see. Oh, it's this one, I think. No, that's not it. No, I did record it. Oh, it's recorded. There we go. That's the one. Okay, so I have the controller here, and this is still showing a red light. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna try to connect. Probably already connected to the instrument. Yeah, it's already connected. So let's go to the instrument info, which should show us how much battery life it is. As you can see, it's red in the controller at 11%. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep this going, and I'm gonna go and basically screw this on top just for the fun of it, right? I'm gonna plug the 2-pin LEMO into the battery pack. Snap nice. And then I'm gonna open the USB-C port and sneak it in there. Let's see how easy it is. Sorry, I can't really see. Oh, okay, there we go. And let's see if that work. Oh, okay, I just pushed it in, and as you can see, the minute I pushed it in, the I85 switched to external power, and the light turned green. So since this, for example, this battery pack is 10 ampere hours, so yeah, it's fully charged. I had that made sure that I fully charged it. It's very good addition. So yeah, very interesting. Hope this helps. If you are interested into the pack, give me a shout. I have few in stock, and yeah, definitely if there is interest, I will be ordering more, and we'll see you next one.